Okay, who's next? Baxter the breakdancing bulldog. In your own time, please. Hold it. What a dog's name was that?
I was, breakdancing?
No, you weren't. That was scratching.
Huh?
And Nooring.
In this warmer weather, you're one of the many dogs experiencing uncomfortable itch, Baxter.
But...
Licking. You need to see your vet and ask about the steroid-free treatment.
Okay, I'd just like to thank you for the opportunity. I'm a
The vet, Baxter.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ooh, you're such a big meanie. It's for his own good.
See your vet and ask about the steroid-free treatment that relieves itch faster and safer.